In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know how to cleanly remove overlapping parts of shapes using the Shape Builder so your artwork looks precise and polished. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your toolbars and canvas. If you haven't used the Shape Builder before, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive and works best with overlapping shapes or paths. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. You can bring in a file you've been working on or start fresh if you just want to practice. If you're starting new, drop a few basic shapes on the canvas and overlap them a bit. That overlap is what makes trimming possible. Now, select all the overlapping objects you want to edit. Use the selection tool to click and drag a box around them, or shift-click each one to add it to your selection. Make sure you've got every shape you intend to trim included. The Shape Builder only works on what's selected. With your objects selected, click the Shape Builder tool on the left sidebar. You'll notice your cursor changes and the shapes highlight as you hover. That highlight is Inkscape, showing you the distinct regions formed by the overlaps, exactly what you'll be trimming. Look to the top toolbar and set the mode to delete. Shape Builder can either add or subtract regions. Since we're trimming away parts, delete is the mode we want. This ensures the tool removes whatever regions you target rather than merging them. Now hold Shift, then click or drag over the specific segments you want to remove. As you move over the artwork, the tool previews the region that will be deleted. Click individual pieces to remove them precisely, or click Drag to sweep across multiple tiny fragments in one go. If you need more accuracy, zoom in for finer control. If you remove something by mistake, don't stress. Undo is always there. When you're satisfied with the cleanup, click the check icon to confirm your edits. This applies the changes to the selected shapes and exits the operation cleanly. Take a quick look over your result to ensure edges are neat and nothing unintended was removed. If you need to refine further, you can repeat the process. Select, activate Shape Builder, use Delete, and trim again. That's all there is to it. Fast, visual, and precise trimming right inside Inkscape.